Hello YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing, and this time it is a Nike SB. It's a Dunk, it's the FTC. You know that already because you've seen the title. I'm going to unbox now. Oh, and you haven't done an unboxing for a while, it's always a bit of a giggle, isn't it? So we have stripy Nike SB box, people. These are a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike. They are Lagoon Pulse Metallic Silver. They are UK 6, US 7, European 40, and they came from Flatspot. I didn't go in for these, Mr. B did, but he went in for them in my size and won. I was all in for the paras, but it wasn't to be, so lovey and all that. So next best thing, the FTCs. And they're pretty nice. You can't see Mr. B behind the camera, but he's just like, oh, why didn't I go in for those? Look at that. Oh my God, it's a dinky dunk again. I know we say this every time I get a pair of dunks, but they are ridiculously dinky. And they are way nicer in hand. Because I'm going to be honest, I was like, I'm not that, even though they're FTC, I'm not actually that fussed whether I get them or not. And now I'm like, actually, look at that. That's lovely. That's a lovely sneaker. So FTC for the city. As you all know, I absolutely love my FTC Blazers from 2017. They are my favourite pair of sneakers. And because obviously we lived in the Bay Area, FTC in San Francisco up in Haight-Ashbury is a sort of store that's kind of close to our heart. So pleased I got these. I've also been to FTC in Barcelona. Haven't been to Tokyo yet, though. Yet. I'm saying yet. So just look at these. They are so nice. So should we have a look at the detail, people? Shall we have a look at the detail? So these are inspired by Japanese bathhouses. It's a big Japanese tradition, over 400 years. I think the sort of plush tiled leather is to represent the pristineness of those public bathhouses. Look at that. That's just really nice, actually. Really nice. Then you've got that metallic swoosh, and I have noticed a few marks on that metallic swoosh. No, there it is. Oh, it was just a bit of dust or something. Then you've got that lovely blue lagoon, they're calling it, suede, which is obviously reference to the water in the bathhouses, and the yellow, and that sort of terry toweling material to represent the drying towels. Inside there, oh, there's so much detail in these. You've got Mr. B can't keep up. You've got that script, kanji, I probably said that wrong, script on the inside there, on the two tongues. The two tongues on that tongue. I think there's different script on the other sneaker, actually. Then inside, I'm just getting the other one out. Inside you've got, you're not really going to be able to see this, but maybe we're going to go to another camera. Mr. B is giving it back to me. I hate doing this. I'm not going to do it. Mr. B wants me to do it. Oh, please don't make me do this. Oh, I can't even do it. I can't pull the insole out. But the inside is meant to represent... No, I can't do it. No, I'm just going to show you because you can see it. There you go. So it's meant to represent the rising sun. The land of the rising sun, that is Japan. But, oh, they are nice. Now, these aren't part of, say, the whole Japanese Tokyo Olympic pack, so to speak, but they are, representing Japanese skate street culture. Obviously FTC have the store in Tokyo, so there's also the paras as part of the same sort of release, and there's the quarter snacks that are coming out as well. But these are so, so nice. I'm really, really pleased I've got them now. Mr. B is saying something to me behind the camera, but I haven't got a clue what he's saying. What are you saying?
Aglet.
Aglets. He wants me to talk about the aglets. So if we can zoom in here, you've got the aglets are in yellow with the turquoise blue lagoon saying FTC on them. Again, another really, really nice touch. These are so nice. And they are different, I was right. So on the right shoe, you've got the red tongue tab there with the script. Then if I flick to the left sneaker, it's in like a navy blue with white script. I think it's navy rather than black. Hard to tell under the lights. It does actually say as well on the tongue tab, under a Nike SB, you've got FTC there. Just really, really nice. And there are alternate laces. There's the lagoon blue laces. I think... And the lagoon, do they have fancy aglets? Not sure. Let's have a quick look. I think I'm probably going to stick with the white, actually. Yeah, they do have fancy aglets. That's nice, actually, because they don't normally bother with the second pair of laces. But you've got, if you can see on this one, I can get my arm up there. You've got white, sort of an off-white, with FTC in that blue. Don't look at my chip nails. Need to redo my nails. Back to the middle camera. But yeah, they're really nice. And you've also got that sort of icy sole as well, which just really sets these off. I've got to say, and we say this all the time on this channel, Nike's pictures do not do them justice. These are so much nicer in hand than the pictures looked. Like, so much nicer. I'm just looking for quality issues. Not great around the toe, the finishing. If you can see that. Yeah, you can just see that on the camera, which is a bit of a shame. Not surprising though. Me being really picky as always. But yeah, these are so much nicer in hand than the Nike pictures, and obviously on the back there, rather than it saying Nike and me moaning about how the E looks, it actually says FTC. So what do we think, people? Do you like these? Did you get these? Did you sit this one out? Have they even been released where you are yet? Because we know that Nike drops are dropping at very different times all over the world at the moment. It's all very, very random. But yeah, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us the old thumbs up, and come along and join us for Sneaker Streaming Sundays, where we stream and talk about sneakers, what we've worn on our feet, what you have worn on your feet, what's in the news, what's on Instagram. It's a bit of fun. That's at 8 p.m. here in the UK, which is 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast, 5 a.m. if you are in Tokyo. So yeah, come along and join us. As I said, let us know your thoughts on these. I do really like these. As I said, I wasn't that fast, but now I've seen them, got them in hands, I'm like, yeah, really, really nice. Thank you, Mr. B, for sitting this one out. And going in for me, I'm still surprised we even got a pair, to be honest. No luck on the paras. I know lots of you lot have the paras, but yeah, that is that Dunk life at the moment. You just don't know what you're going to get. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go try these on, and yeah, I'm out of here. Go check out one of the other videos here, probably my FTC video, because I love those blazers so much. So nice. Anyway, catch you on the next video. Go check one out.